Hello students, myself Shruti Niralgihiremat, lecturer in economics. I would like to welcome you for first PUC classes. Dear students, if you are visiting first time to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos. And if you are interested, please visit my channel playlist to get more videos. Please watch full episode to get accurate information about subjects. In this episode, I am going to explain 4 marks important question with elaborate answer. 4 marks important question, that is, scarcity is the root of all economic problems. Explain the statement. This is the question. Now we are going to understand how to write the answer for 4 marks question. First we need to write introduction. Introduction. In the introduction, a unique feature of human behavior is that human wants are unlimited, but the resources are limited. Human wants are unlimited in number, whereas the resources with which he can satisfy his wants are limited. As one want get fulfilled, as one want get fulfilled, another crops up in its place. However, the resources to satisfy these wants remain scarce. No amount of resources is enough to satisfy the never ending wants. If a man has many wants and at the same time has ample resources to satisfy them, there is no economic problem for him. Thus, scarcity of resources and multiplicity of wants are the two important factors in economics. The following points explains the scarcity of resources and problem of choice. First point, unlimited wants. Human wants are unlimited and they are innumerable and countless. When one want gets satisfied, another want crop up. It is very difficult to satisfy all human wants. As we know that wants are unlimited. A human is never truly satisfied and so his wants too are endless. We may temporarily satisfy some of our wants, but they always reoccur. Different wants have varying degree of intensity. Some wants are extremely urgent, some are less intensive. Human wants tend to be competitive. We have limited means and so we cannot satisfy all of our wants. So they compete with each other and the most urgent want will be satisfied. Wants can be complementary as well. To satisfy our want for one good, we have to make arrangements for another. So now we have the want of two goods. For example, to run of to run a car. To run a, for example, to run a car, you need petrol. The wants of any person will constantly be changing according to the time and place and situation of person. Totally, human wants are unlimited and never ending. And second point, limited resources. Resources to satisfy human wants are scarce or limited. The supply of resources cannot be increased easily and quickly. And the scarcity of resources also creates economic problems and makes people choose between different wants. Every economy faces the problem of scarcity. Scarcity means limited resources. Scarcity of resources implies that there are unlimited wants to be fulfilled by limited resources. The basic concern of an economy is to allocate scarce resources to the best possible use in the face of unlimited wants. Thus, the problem of scarcity forces an economy to make a choice among various alternatives. And next point, third very important point, that is alternative uses. The scarce resources are capable of alternative uses. This means most of the resources can be used for different purposes. Alternative use of resources means that simply the different ways in which resources can be used. In other words, alternative use of resources means more than one uses to which resources can be put, and implies that resources can be used only for one purposes at a time. For example, coal. Coal is a resources, right? Coal is a resource. Coal is used in factories. Coal is used in factories, in running railways, and in thermal stations for electric generation, and by households, etc. While using the scarce resources, man has to select the purpose which brings his maximum profits. Next, we move on to fourth point. The very important fourth point is problem of choice. This problem of choice arises from the scarce availability of resources, is known as economic problem. The economic problem consists of scarce resources. Because of the scarce resources, economic problem arises. Please look at this chart. Availability of resources is less than human wants. It means that human wants are more, available resources are less. It leads to a problem of scarcity of resources. Human wants are unlimited and resources are less. It leads to a problem of scarcity of resources. This problem of scarcity of resources leads to a problem of choice. It means that all wants cannot be satisfied as there are limited resources. Therefore, people have to select some wants out of large number of wants. Usually, people select wants in order to preferences. The most urgent and important wants will be selected first, and less important and urgent wants will be selected later. Therefore, the character of alternative use of the resources gives rise to the problem of choice between different uses. Right. Last conclusion. Without scarcity, the science of economics would not exist. Scarcity or limited resources is one of the most basic economic problems we face. Had there been no scarcity, there would have been no economic problem, and you would not have studied economics either. Dear students, if you have any doubts, please raise your questions in comment box, and please like the video and share with your friends. Subscribe now and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any updates. Thank you for watching this episode.